Hi, this is Brock Yorty. Ask Brock live at the National Groundwater Convention. I'm here with Rex Penry, CP Drilling. We'd gotten an Ask Brock again about how do you drill nasty clays. You know, I've met Rex at several projects and we're great friends and colleagues, and he drills some nasty reactive clays through Oklahoma and into West Texas and in New Mexico. And he's always got great insight on this. And instead of hearing it from a mud engineer or a manufacturer, this man drills some holes very efficiently, get cathodic protection this time. And let's get Rex's thoughts on drilling clays. How do you do it, Rex?
Proper tools. We have a philosophy that there's no such thing as swelling clay. Only the excuses drillers use when they hit swelling clay and ball bits and stuff. So we kind of dismissed that and got to thinking about what am I doing wrong with my tools and my technique, and kind of went from there, and we changed a few things up, but we had a lot of success.
Okay, how?
The biggest problem.
So PHPAs, do you run any PHPAs?
We run massive amounts of PHPA polymer. Just on the typical 400-foot hole, 10-inch diameter, I'll run 3 to 4 gallons of PHPA polymer from the get-go. And I will not add another drop of it again for the entire depth of the hole. I'll take advantage of the efficiency of the centrifugal pump, and I will haul it for the first 200 feet, and then I'll start slowing down just a little bit. Average about an hour and 25-35 minutes on a 400-foot hole. Trip out, check the TD of the hole with a sand line, and trip back in with a tri-cone just to reassure the client we got a full hole, then load with anodes and go get the money and go home.
Cathodic is about efficiency and speed because there's a lot of jobs. You're very busy. This is unlike water well or even
sure.
On geothermal. Water well, we're looking for porosity zones and formations. You have a goal of this is X depth because this is where we need to put the
My
anode.
goal is to TD the hole and have my client hand over a hole to him before noon. If I can hand this hole over to him before noon, that gives him a time to drop anodes, coat the anodes up, and I don't get paid till the top anode is covered with coke grease. When that's done, they can usually get that done by 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon. What that means, we can do 1 per day.
So before noon, you start at 4 a.m. then?
No, I mean, we'll get out there at 7 o'clock.
I'm just
If we have to set up the mud puppy, we'll set it up. And by the way, with the mud puppy, we don't do the PHPA polymer. If you do, all the water's going to go off the back.
Okay.
We dig the pit, set up, get to drilling, usually by 9. Then I usually hand the hole over by 11:30.
Wow.
So we're pretty efficient at it, but I have
excellent.
X amount of tools we set out, and this is the only tools we need, and no bit changes, no busting bits off subs to put a different bit on. 99% of the time, it's one shot to the bottom. We've had pretty good luck with it.
Awesome. Thanks, Rex.
You're welcome.
I appreciate you.
You bet.